In this video, I will show you how to turn off the TalkBack on Vivo Mobile. TalkBack on. System UI. Two finger swipe up to unlock device image. Lock screen. Move previous head. Unlock button. Pattern. Sanit added. Sanit added. Sen6 device unlocked. Quick step. Apps list. Double tap to activate. Actions available. Use swipe up then right to view. Compass in grid 15 rows. Compass. Home. Settings. Navigate. Home button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Let's see how to turn off. This is the volume up and volume down buttons. Hold the volume up and volume down buttons together. TalkBack one. Now look, talking on mobile has stopped.